Okay, dear students, in this period, we are discussing about the radicals and valence. Before going to discuss the radicals, first you know the atom or neutral atom. Is that neutral atom? What is neutral atom? Atom means you know it. Atom is a very minute particles of an element. It cannot be divided. The neutral atom means an atom is consisting of how many number of protons, same number of electrons. Then only the atom is called neutral atom. All the atoms are neutral. It means how many number of protons are present, same number of electron is also present. For example, sodium. Here atomic number is 11. Already you know what is atomic number. Atomic number means number of proton present in the atom is known as atomic number. Now here 11 protons are present. Proton, 11 protons are present. When it is 11 protons are present, the same number of electron is also present. Electron is also 11 electron is present. Then only this sodium, it is atom, neutral atom. Neutral atom means how many number of protons are present, same number of electron is also present. Then only it is called neutral atom. In any atoms, any chemical element undergoes a chemical reaction. It loses or gains the electrons, not protons. Electrons only participate in chemical reaction, not a protons. Here, in that electrons, 11 protons and 11 electrons are there. This element undergo chemical reaction. It alters the number of electrons. When it become a neutral, therefore, here 11 protons and 11 electrons are there. You know electronic configuration. Here electronic configuration is 2a times 1. In the first orbit 2 electrons are present, second orbit 8 electrons and last orbit only 1 electrons because sodium having only 11 electrons. Undergo chemical reaction, it loses or gain the electrons. Why it loses or gain the electron? The atom become a stable. Stable means you know that 2 and first orbit 2 electrons and second orbit 8 electrons should be present. Then only that atom is a stable. Then atom become a ions by losing electron. In the last orbit only 1 electron is present. Therefore this sodium ready to lose 1 electron. By losing electron, here it losing electron. Here 11 protons and 11 electrons are there. Proton is 11 and electron, by losing 1 electron, electron become a 10. Electron become 10. Positively charged particle, protons are more and electrons are less because it loses 1 electron. It loses 1 electron to become a stable. Stable means the outermost orbit 8 electrons should be present. When it losing that, then it become a 2 and 8 electronic configuration. Therefore, by losing 1 electron, sodium atom become a ion. Na plus 1. By losing electron, sodium atom become a cation. Positive cation means what? Positively charged ions. Positively charged ions. Atom and ion, there are different. Sodium is atom, here sodium is ions. Radicals, cation. By atom is number of proton is equal to number of electrons. Same number of protons and same number of electrons is there. Therefore, sodium atom is a neutral atom. Undergo any chemical reaction by losing 1 electron. By losing 1 electron, that sodium become a cation, positively charged ion. By losing and by losing or gaining of gaining means what? For example, you take another example, Cl. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. It indicates that proton are 17 and electron is also 17. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 10 and outermost orbit 8 electron is present. Outermost orbit how many electrons should present? Here 8 electrons should present. Here how many electrons are there? 7 electrons are there. How many electrons required? 1 electron should take, accept. By gaining one electron, it becomes 2, 8 and 8. It is an attack. Then it becomes Cl minus 1 by gaining one electron. It is known as anion. Cations and ions. Cation means positively charged ions are known as cation. When an atom losing electron, that atom become a cation. By gaining one electron, that atom become a anions. These are charged particles. Here all charged particles, cations and anions. Formation of cations when the atom become a ion by losing or gaining of electron. By losing or gaining of electron, atom become a ion. Here, by losing electron, the element become cation. By gaining electron, accepting the electron, it become anions. Formation of cations and anions, you know that. When the neutral atom become a ion, by losing or by gaining of electrons not a proton. By losing or gaining of electrons, the atom become a ion. This is the cations and anion. These two are charged particles. Now we come to the point that is radical. What is radical? Radical is a positive or negative charge component of a compound. Either it may be positive cations or anions. Component of a compound consisting of a single atom. One atom, sodium is a one atom. Consisting of single atom or group of atom. For example, SO4. SO4 is also negative radical. Yes, here sulfur and oxygen, group of atoms. Here, group of atoms is known as radical. Radical is a positively or negatively charged ion. Positively or negatively charged component of a compound. Consisting of single atom. Maybe it may be single atom. For example, Cl, bromide and sulfate, SO4, carbonate. These two are the complex radicals. These two are simple radicals. Single atom means it is simple radical. More than one element, more than one type of element consisting means it is a complex radical. This is the simple radical and complex radical. After knowing the radicals, now you take another one important concept. These are all valency. Valency is the number of electron an atom. Donate means give, lose. Donate or accept. Take, accept. Valency is always a whole number. What is valency? Valency is the number of electron an atom donate or accept by losing or by gaining. How many electrons it loses? Valency of that element. Sodium loses 1 electron. Valency of sodium is Na plus 1. It gaining 1 electron. Valency is 1. This is plus 1, this one is minus 1. Both are 1, 1. Therefore, it is known as monovalency. Monovalency means either it may be a positive charge or it may be a negative charge. It contains only 1, plus 1 or minus 1. These two are monovalency. For example, you take the another one, calcium plus 2, bivalency. That means calcium losing 2 electrons. All the metals are losing electrons, no doubt. All the metals are positively charged ions, or all the metals are cations. Here, plus 2 means here calcium it ready to lose 2 electrons. That is plus 2. Here SO4 CO3 minus minus 2, it gained 2 electrons. That is, the valency is the number of electrons an atom donate or accept. Valency is always a whole number, one electron, not a half electron. It always donate or accept whole number, one electron, two electron, maximum 3 electrons. Or in another word definition of valency, valency is the measure of combining capacity of that element. Combining capacity of the element. For example, here sodium loses 1 electron. It combines with another 1 atom. Oxygen loses 2 electrons. It combining with another 2 atoms. Therefore, if monovalent means valency is 1. The combining capacity of that element is 1. That is monovalent, divalent and trivalent. These are the types of valency. Today, very important concept. Do you know neutral? What is a neutral atom? Neutral atom means number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Neutral atom means inside the atom how many number of protons are present, same number of electron is also present. Then only that atom is known as neutral atom. Protons and electrons are equal. This atom undergoes a chemical reaction. It loses or gain the electrons. Why the atom can lose or gain the electron means to become a stable. Become stable. What is stable atom? In the first orbit, only 2 electrons it contains, second orbit 8 electrons contains. Then only it is stable orbit in the electronic configuration. Neil Bohr gave the concept of electronic configuration, arrangement of electrons. You know that in the previous class. Now, this one by losing electron, an atom by losing electron, it become a cation. An atom by gaining electron, it become a anion. When you know the cations and anion and neutral and atom and ion, then we can understand the radical and valency. Today we learned about the neutral atom, what is cations, what is anion. When the atom become ion, undergo any chemical reaction, by losing or gaining of electron, atom become a ion. And then radical and valency. Valency in monovalent valency means an element it consisting of only one valency is known as monovalent valency. Divalent, an element it consisting of two valency, plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 2, that is divalency. Trivalency, Al3, it consisting of 3 valencies, therefore it is known as trivalency. Monovalency, divalency, trivalency and tetravalency. They are because depending upon the number of losing or gaining of electron. If it is lose or gain 1 electron, it is monovalency. If it is lose or gain 2 electrons, it is known as divalency. If it is lose or gain 3 electrons, it is known as trivalency. Okay, students, this chapter is very, very important about the neutral atom and cations and anions. Understood? Learn well, listen carefully again and learn it. Okay? Thank you.